Okay, now the first thing we have to do is log into the website. So go to the website and then you /wp-admin, and then you'll have to log in. I'm already logged in. Let me log out so I can back to the right. So /wp-admin, then admin, and the password. I'll make you a separate user shortly, so that both you and I will have separate logins. Okay, so then the first thing is to note is this menu on the left, and what we're going to do is add a post. And yeah, right, all the posts that are currently there are here, and each one of those can be edited by clicking edit. So let's go back to our new post. So okay, so I'm going to do a blueberry smoothie. I'm going to select eat and summer and the categories. Then I'm going to add media, that little thing here, and I'm going to upload a picture. And if you want a full width picture, it's going to have to be 600 wide. So you upload, here it is. Try and put the title and the alternative text for some keywords that you think people might use to search for you. You have options down here. You want to insert the full size. Insert into post. Okay, sorry. In the visual editor, there's the picture. This is the HTML. That's all the code. So we can just here enter and blueberries. And then you can write something about your recipe. And then we're going to do the recipe, and there's this little thing, a little chef thing here, which I've added to plug in WordPress to put your recipe in here, and then it creates nice rich snippets, which means Google will store it in a recipe format, and when you someone searches for the recipe, you'll get that nice little picture of the recipe, and it just Google likes it. So we add easy recipe, and we use this, and you've got some options that you can add in here as well. So what I did is I had a notepad document with the information in prepared beforehand, so I'm going to copy and paste the stuff in. There's this find out how, that's got a whole lot of extra information to how to use this particular plugin properly. So you go and read that, and then you can take food photos. And then it's got 5 minutes prep time, it's got no cook time, and let's see, oh, this probably said 2. And then you've got select the photo you want Google Recipe View to show, so we can have that, or we can add another one. So I'm just going to add the recipe. What I'm going to do is set the feature image to be a nice square image for the portfolio pages. They're little square images, so I'm going to resize it and get it nice and square already, so that it's not done automatically and it selects the part of the photo I don't like. So I'm going to use that as oh, I didn't really talk about that. So there was that little option down the bottom when I here show. So there was a little option use as featured image. So I've done that, and then save all changes and close that little window down. And note on here it's the featured image. Now you can remove the featured image and then set it again. I'll do that just to show you. So that was my square image. So use as featured image, wait till it's done. Okay, great. And when I want to edit this, you click on this, and then it doesn't So if I go into the HTML, which is all the coding, there's all this extra coding that helps Google that you don't want to have to write. So, and if you start editing in here, you will break it. So do click on that and use the proper panel. What else? Okay, down to this SEO. So you want to choose a smoothie. You want to choose the keywords, that's the focus. Generate the SEO title. It's going to give you some hints to improve it. So this is the meta description out here. So you can either copy and paste from your recipe, or you can write something else here, like I love blueberries. Here is my favorite blueberry smoothie recipe. And see, I put those keywords in, and so it's clicked on there. I'm going to save the drive to update it. Okay, I was going to have two because there's another one from my trial one before I did it. No, it's not that. That's also kind of important. So now it's the page URL is this thing here. So I could edit this instead of 2. I'm going to put recipe in there. Okay, and it's under eat and summer, so that's fantastic. Now tags here, blueberries. Tags are like little sub categories. So if someone was to want another blueberry recipe, that would be here. They click on it, and if there were any other blueberry posts that you'd added the tag for, it would show. So you haven't got any added, but if you choose, once you've added a few, choose from the most used tags so you don't end up with thousands of tags. You want to keep it down to a few key ones. So, I mean, you might want to put fruit there instead of blueberries, but that's fine. And then I'm going to click publish. Now view the post. So that's what it, so I'll check. I'm happy with that. So it's tagged with blueberries. There's your feature. Now go to eat. Should appear under summer. There it is there. Blueberry smoothie. So that's how you can add all the recipes under the categories.